If you're wondering whether you can use Apple AirTags with your Android phone, the answer, unfortunately, is no. You cannot use AirTags with an Android phone to track your belongings. Apple designs AirTags exclusively for the Apple ecosystem, so an Android user cannot pair, register, or see an AirTag's location on a map in real time. If you wanted to use similar trackers on Android, you'll usually need something like Samsung Galaxy Smart Tags, Motorola Moto Tags, Pebble Bee Clip, or Chipolo 1 Point. Samsung's tracker obviously works best with Samsung phones, but the others are universal and work natively in Google's Android ecosystem. Now, the one thing Android can do with AirTags is to warn you about unknown trackers that might be following you. I have a separate video covering this in detail, but you can scan for nearby AirTags by going to the Safety and Emergency settings, and from there, choose Unknown Tracker Alerts. You can perform a manual scan that looks for all types of trackers, including AirTags, and warns you if there's a tracker near you that's separated from its owner. Your Android phone can also pull up contact info if you find a lost item with an AirTag on it. Take the AirTag, place it against the back of your phone, and your phone will use NFC, which means near-field communication, to scan the AirTag and display the owner's information, if the owner has placed that AirTag in lost mode. If the AirTag hasn't been placed in lost mode, your phone will load up Apple's Found page but not display anything, like mine does here. Anyways, that's all you can do with AirTags in Android. Click that like button if this helped, check out some alternative trackers in the description, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.